slept in a while. When I opened my eyes, you were here again. With that killer smile, you never miss a line, except one thing. It could be locked up in your head. It could be on every last breath. It could be tied up on your tongue, but you won't say love.
So I watch you go, like it started so free. Now it unfolds, and if you can't find something you wanna keep, well then you
Truly know. It could be locked up in your head. It could be on every last breath. It could be tied up on your tongue,
but you won't say love. Why won't you? Why won't you? Why won't you say love? Why won't you? Why won't you? Why won't you say love?
it could be locked up in your head. It could be on every last breath. It could be tied up on your tongue, but you won't say love. It could be locked up in your head. It could be on every last breath. It could be tied up on your tongue, but you won't say love. Why won't you? Why won't you? Why won't you say love? Why won't you? Why won't you? Why won't you say love? To those on high, we've got to let you go. For open minds, to give us some hope. You got your time for being in control. We've got to let you go. When all the world could touch you, it just takes one. All the world could hold you. You fear no love. All the world could touch you. It just took one. You got so free, it brought them to their knees. Who's gonna know you in the end? Not the finest of these men. So make it right, and don't you forget what it's like to have nothing on your mind. When all the world can touch you, it just takes one. All the world could hold you. You fear no love. All the world can touch you. It just takes one. It just takes one. Oh, yeah. singing, why do I burn my feet when my brothers are running free? And in the trees of the jungle deep, not too far from that village street, was a bird in a shallow sleep, dreaming of being free. 'Cause we're all hungry, and we all need to love, and animals all are we. When it comes down to love, I'm hanging upside down with my smile in a perfect frown. You are jumping to shake the ground, and you're smoking to smoke them out. I bet you did not know, when it turns all into snow, we're not gonna